Hello cookbook friends, my name is Carrie with Cookbook Divas and it's time for another cookbook look through and review. Today I have A Seat at the Table, Recipes to Nourish Your Family, Friends, and Community. I picked it up because we are still, vaccinated and worried about the pandemic and social distancing, and now the Delta variant is out, and so we're having friends over into our backyard right now, but not in our home. So this fall, I'm wondering if I'm having masked friends over inside the house when it's too cold to be in the backyard. But I love having friends over for dinner. And so I'm curious to check out this cookbook by Brent and Joss Kilmer-Purcell with their neighbor Rose Marie Trapani. This is us basically all summer having our friends outside in the backyard. Here in Seattle, we usually have a nice summer through late October, depending on what happens, with rain in between. Oh, this is Beekman 1802, so it has something to do with the Beekman brothers, I guess. I didn't know that the Beekman brothers' name were Brent and Josh. I don't know. We'll find out. That is a massive table. I don't have that much room in my backyard. Looks like a wedding. That looks really fun. It looks like you'd have to have people come help you serve. Its cookbook is from 2017. It's dedicated to all of those neighbors around the world who invited us to have a seat when we had nothing but our gratitude to bring to the table. I almost shed a tear. That's very sweet. Let's check out the contents. Oh, this will be easy. Fall, winter, spring, summer. Okay. So far, good food photography. Here's an introduction. I don't know why they have some antiques there because I don't have time to read the introduction. Beautiful photography. A little outdoor autumn table. Love it. My favorite color. Aqua. Starting off with fall. I have a little cast iron cauldron I can use to cook outside too if I need to, if we have our power go out, which it does once a winter. First recipe of the book. Ricotta filled figs wrapped in prosciutto. I'm loving the photography here. That looks like something you could make ahead before a party to make your life a lot easier. Brined grape leaves. I still have never seen grape leaves in a store near me, but I have a Whole Foods. They've got to have those there. Beekman burnt broccoli soup. I tend to try not to burn my broccoli, but it happens sometimes. Megan's toasted flour soup. I'm suspicious. Okay. Braiding Italian bread. Good to know. No knead Italian bread. That looks beautiful. I actually like kneading, so when I see no knead recipes, I'm like, what? Garlic knots. That is what I should make to go with dinner tonight. Whoa. I think I will. Doesn't look too hard. Pesto trapanese, but there's a picture of a typewriter, not the pesto, so I'm not sure what's going on, but very artistic. That's nice. Okay. Here's Artisan Profile, Rose Marie Trapani, their neighbor. There she is. She gets a little write-up in the book. Okay, that's nice. Here is her homemade tomato paste, which I've never tried making. It seems tricky to get it all down and thick. Lemon garlic sauce, yum. Beet greens sauteed with garlic and breadcrumbs. Yes, please. I would love that. But I want to eat the beets too. Broccoli with garlic. Homemade pasta. Homemade pasta is so much work. I know how to do it though. Do I ever make it? Outside of class? No. Do you? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. What on earth is this? This is beautiful. I have to show you this. And then I have to skip to another chapter because I can't show you the whole book. Squash manicotti. Huh? That's a very artistic presentation. I like it. Okay, we're still in either winter or fall. Oh, here's Farmer John. Okay, a little profile. Club roast turkey. Fire pit potato dogs. Here's a fried chicken cutlet with egg and arugula. This photography is amazing. Okay, chicken drumsticks in wine. Lobster, mussels, scallops, limoncello, another artisan profile. Sweet ravioli with ricotta and honey. Hello. That I would take the time to make at home. Oh, and here's a Salvation chocolate mousse cake. Okay, I've got to stop showing you every page. There's a boozy bunt cake. How do I find the next chapter? I don't know. I'm not sure, because there's more artisan profiles and rubs and veal and... Okay. I got it. Oh, ribeye steak Palermo style. So this is definitely Italian oriented. Chicken apricot pot pie. We must be in fall, right? Or is that winter? I'm not sure how to find the other chapters as I flip through. A panettone. Ah, now we're in spring. That must have been winter. Okay. Part 3, spring. An asparagus crostata. Let me gaze upon this goodness. I love making little tarts because they're beautiful, they're easy, everybody can have a bite or two with a glass of wine or a cocktail and then feel like they had something special. Nana's bread soup, Doreen's scones, caramelized onion walnut focaccia. I had a very disappointing focaccia last night, which I bought at the store, but I still ate it. Braised artichokes. I think we all know how to make those. I'm not sure we need a recipe. Okay, this is beautiful. It actually brought a tear to my eye. Stuffed onions. Whoa. Now some of us are getting older and have trouble eating onions, but those of you that are younger, enjoy your onions. Here is a mushroom risotto. I appreciate how many vegetarian possibilities they have in this cookbook. Rosemary's pork chops, beef braccioli with Sunday tomato sauce, chicken on a stick, crab cakes. Okay, well now there's lots of meat and fish too. But here's cream cheese cookies, beautiful. And now we're in summer, which is the smallest part of the book. I guess they like fall and winter. Goat cheese filled cherry poppers, fried peppers with balsamic dribble. Here is some zucchini blossoms, beautiful, with savory ricotta. That sounds amazing. An orange fennel salad. That's hard to photograph. They made it look good. Raw tomato sauce. Pasta substitutes like squash, summer garden party tips, etc. This is amazing. So I went too slowly through fall, kind of skipped part of winter. Spring and summer were smaller chapters. I would definitely get this and own it just for the fall and winter chapters because there's so much comfort food, and I feel like spring and summer it's easier to kind of wing it without a cookbook because I'm just making like, oh, watermelon and hot dogs. This is a seat at the table. It has something to do with the Beekman 1802. Not sure, I'll have to go check out the introduction. Recipes to nourish your family, friends, and community. Absolutely beautiful cookbook. I recommend it. If you'd like to see more of our cookbook look-throughs and reviews, you can find Cookbook Divas on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and occasionally on Pinterest. Please subscribe. Be sure to click like and comment on videos if you enjoyed them, because that'll teach the social media algorithms to show you more of our videos. Bye.